Hello children, welcome back to the other new session. In previous sessions, what we have discussed children? Introduction to algebra chapter we discussed now. So, in this session, we are going to start a new chapter that is only perimeter and area. Okay, perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. So, first of all we want to know what is the perimeter, what is the area. So, in this session we are going to discuss about perimeter children. Okay? Yes. What is the perimeter? See children, suppose for example it is a playground. Okay? A boy is running around a circular path like this. Suppose this is the point A. He starts running from the point A. That boy is running like this. Again, he stops running at the same point, that is only B. He starts running from the point A. Again, he stops the running at point B. A and B are the same points children. Okay. So, the distance covered by that boy only perimeter. The distance covered by that boy only perimeter. Suppose few figures I am taking children. See. Okay, three shapes I have taken here. Suppose this one perimeter we have to find, this one. Different figures these are, because here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides we have? 4 sides in this figure. Here children 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many sides we have? 6 sides children. So, how can we find the perimeter? See children, suppose any thread we can take children. Okay, with the thread like this, suppose. So, what is the first edge that you can take? Okay, next, see children, like this. You can measure one of the sides. Next, the other side you can measure. Next, the other side you can measure. Next, the other side you can measure. Okay. So, here to here, the length of the first figure. What we have done here children? So, we are measuring the 4 sides of that particular figure. Okay. It is only perimeter of that figure. Suppose, this is the 4 centimeters. This is the 3 centimeters. This is the 5 centimeters. This is the 2 centimeters. So, this is 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters. With this thread, we have measured now children. So, the length of the total rope, that means here to here, that is only perimeter. Suppose, this figure, how can you find children? So, first, any one of the point you can take from there to here. Yes. Next, here to here length we can measure. Next, here to here. That means, suppose A, B, C means B to A distance, A to C distance, C to B distance. Okay. So, totally from here to here. That means, how can we say children? AB plus AC plus BC. So, we get the perimeter. AB plus AC plus BC we measure means we get the perimeter. So, this figure also same children. What we can do? First, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides we have in this figure. Okay, so these 6 sides we can measure, children, with this rope only. So length of the rope only, perimeter. Okay, so how can we define the perimeter, children? According to these examples, how can we define the perimeter? See, children. Sum of the lengths of all the sides. Sum of the lengths of all the sides. Sum of the lengths of all the sides. Okay. So this is the perimeter definition, children. Very good. So few problems, few figures we can take, children. With that we can find the perimeter. Just we will see. Yes. First figure, suppose like this. Rectangle figure I am taking, children. Rectangle means we know. What, children? Suppose A, B, C, D. Okay. AB, suppose 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Okay. So AB 10 centimeters means what is the CD, children? CD also 10 centimeters only, because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to CD. Suppose it is 3 centimeters. Here also AD opposite side we have BC. You know, children, in 5th class you learn, children, what are the opposite sides, what are the adjacent sides, what are the opposite angles, adjacent angles, those all we have learned. Okay. So this is 3 centimeters means it is also 3 centimeters only. So in rectangle opposite sides are same. Suppose 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. So we can find the perimeter, children. How can you find the perimeter? Just now we have learned sum of the lengths of all the sides. Okay. So perimeter is equal to, so the letter P we can denote it by perimeter. Okay. So AB. What are the sides we have? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. So 4 sides we are adding, children. We know the measurements also. What is the AB length? 10 centimeters. Plus what is the BC? 3 centimeters. Plus what is the CD? 10 centimeters. Plus what is the DA? 3 centimeters. Okay. So 10 plus 10, 20. 3 plus 3, 6. So 20 plus 6, 26 centimeters, because we can arrange the numbers. That is only associative property, na, children. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. In first chapter we have discussed, children. Okay. So that is the rearrangement of the numbers. So 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 10, 23. 23 plus 3, 26. Like also we can add easy addition. What is that? 10 plus 10, 20. 3 plus 3, 6. So 20 plus 6, 26 centimeters. Okay. So what is the perimeter, children? We have got perimeter 26 centimeters. Okay. Next, the other problem also just we will discuss, children. Yes. Next. Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F. So in this figure, how many sides we have, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides we have, children. Suppose AB 3 centimeters, BC 4 centimeters, CD 4 centimeters, DE 5 centimeters. Suppose it is 7 centimeters, FA 6 centimeters. Okay, so 6 sides we have. We can find the perimeter. Okay, what is the perimeter, children? Sum of the lengths of all the sides. Okay, so perimeter is equal to AB, sum of the lengths AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. Okay, children, so all the sides we are adding AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. Okay, what is the AB, children? 3 centimeters plus BC 4 centimeters plus CD 4 centimeters plus ED 5 centimeters plus EF 7 centimeters plus FA 6 centimeters. Just what are the lengths we are substituting, children? AB, instead of AB length 3 centimeters, like we are substituting the just values. Okay, next 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 7 23, 23 plus 6 29 centimeters. So this is the perimeter of the given figure. So like any figures, children, any closed figures perimeter we can find. So today in this session what we have discussed, children, about the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Sum of the lengths of all the sides. Small assignment for you, children. Yes. Find perimeter of triangle I am giving, children. So A, B, C. 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So triangle I have given, children. So you can find the perimeter of this figure. I hope you understand this class, children. Thank you.